Hello friends, welcome to Flick Tales. Today I'm gonna share with you story of movie Forrest Gump. Released in 1994, it is an American comedy drama film based on 1986 novel of the same name. Lal Singh Chadda is remake of the same movie. In 1981, at a bus stop in Savannah, Georgia, a man named Forrest Gump recounts his life story to strangers who happens to sit next to him on the bench. As a boy in 1956, young Forrest has an IQ of 75 and is fitted with leg braces to correct a curved spine. He lives in Greenbow, Alabama with his mother, who runs a boarding house and encourages him to live beyond his disabilities. Among their temporary tenants is a young Elvis Presley, who plays the guitar for Forrest and incorporates the boys' jerky dance movements into his performances. On his first day of school, Forrest meets a girl named Jenny and the two become best friends. Bullied because of his leg braces and dim-witted appearance, Forrest flees from a group of children, but when his braces breaks off, he is revealed to be a fast runner. With this talent, he receives a football scholarship at the University of Alabama in 1962, where he is coached by Bear Bryant, becomes a top kick returner, is named to the All-American team and meets President John F. Kennedy at the White House. In his first year at college, he witnesses Governor George Wallace stand in the schoolhouse door and returns a dropped book to Vivian Malone Jones, one of the students admitted over state resistance. After graduation in 1966, Forrest enlists in the US Army. During basic training, he befriends a fellow soldier named Benjamin Buford Blue, nicknamed Bubba, who convinces Forrest to go into the shrimping business with him after their service. Later that year, they are sent to Vietnam serving with the 9th Infantry Division in the Mekong Delta region under Lieutenant Dan Taylor. After months of routine operations, their platoon is ambushed while on patrol, and Bubba is killed in action. Forrest saves several wounded platoon mates and Lieutenant Dan, who loses both his legs. Lieutenant Dan is embittered to have been saved by Forrest. He would rather have died in combat like his ancestors before him. But his return to the United States, Forrest is awarded the Medal of Honor for his heroism by President Johnson. At an anti-war march on Pentagon rally, Forrest meets Abbie Hoffman and briefly reunites with Jenny, who has become a drug-addicted hippie and anti-war activist. He also develops a talent for ping pong and becomes a sports celebrity competing against Chinese team in ping pong diplomacy, earning him an interview alongside John Lennon of the Beatles on Dick Cavett Show. He appears to influence Lennon's song Imagine. Forrest spends 1972 New Year's Eve in New York City with Lieutenant Dan, who has become an alcoholic. Still bitter about his disability and the government's apathy towards Vietnam veterans, Forrest's ping pong success eventually leads to a meeting with President Richard Nixon. For this event, he is given a room in Watergate complex where he unwittingly exposes the Watergate scandal. Discharged from the army, Forrest returns to Greenbow and endorses a company that makes ping pong paddles. He uses earnings to buy a shrimping boat in Boila Battery. Fulfilling his promise to Bubba, Lieutenant Dan joins Forrest in 1974 and they initially have little success. After their boat becomes the only one to survive Hurricane Carmen, they pull in huge amounts of shrimp and create the profitable Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. Lieutenant Dan finally thanks Forrest for saving his life. Dan invests in what Forrest thinks is some kind of fruit company and the two become millionaires. Forrest gives half of his earnings to Bubba's family for having inspired the shrimping venture. Forrest returns to home to his mother and cares for her during her terminal illness from cancer. In 1976, Jenny, recovering from 2 years of drugs and abuse, returns to visit Forrest. He proposes to her, and that night she tells Forrest that she loves him, and the two makes love. Though she leaves the next morning, Heartbroken, Forrest goes running for no particular reason and spends the next 3 years in a relentless cross-country marathon, becoming famous for another feat before returning to Greenbow. In 1981, Forrest reveals that he is waiting at the bus stop because he received a letter from Jenny, who asked him to visit her. Forrest is finally reunited with Jenny, who introduces him to their young son, who she named Forrest Gump Jr. Jenny tells Forrest she is sick with unknown virus. The three move back to Greenbow, and Jenny and Forrest finally marry, but she dies a year later. The film ends with Forrest seeing his son off on his first day of school. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such videos.